Hi everyone, this is Emmy. Today I'm going to show you the stitch pattern for working up this afternoon wrap, which is a Yarnspirations shawl. And I'm also going to give you the link below this video where you can download the PDF pattern for free. So let's get started. To make this shawl, you'll need some worsted weight yarn and a 5.5mm crochet hook. You're going to start with chain 224. And when you have your foundation chain the correct length, you're going to work in the second stitch from the hook, 1, 2, and you're going to work single crochet, chain 3, 1, 2, 3, and a double crochet, all in the same stitch. So that's a single crochet, chain 3, and a double crochet, all in the same stitch. Now you're going to skip the next 2 stitches and you're going to do the same thing in this stitch. Single crochet, chain 3, 1, 2, 3, and a double crochet. Like that, all the way across the row. So skip 2, in the next stitch work single, chain 3, 1, 2, 3, and a double, all in the same stitch. So I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to work across the row, and then I'll come back and show you the next row. Okay, and that's what that will look like. Chain 2 and turn, and you're going to double crochet in that first stitch. So now in every chain 3 space you're going to work single crochet, chain 3, 1, 2, 3, double crochet. Go to the next chain 3 space, work single crochet, chain 3, 1, 2, 3, and a double crochet. And you're going to repeat that across the row. Find the next chain 3 space, work single, chain 3, 1, 2, 3, and a double. Go to the next chain 3 space, single, chain 3, 1, 2, 3, and a double. Like that, and you're going to repeat all the way across the row. When you've worked all the way across the row, in the last chain 3 space, you're going to work single crochet, and then you're going to chain 2, 1, 2. And then double crochet in the last stitch. Like that. Okay, that's how that looks when you work across the row. And now you're going to chain 1 and turn. Single crochet in that first stitch. Chain 3, 1, 2, 3. Double crochet in this chain 2 space. And then in every chain 3 space across the row, you're going to work single crochet, chain 3, and a double crochet. Like that, single crochet, chain 3, double crochet. Going to work all the way across the row. And for this pattern, you're just going to repeat row 2 and 3 until the shawl is as long when you're wearing it as you would like it to be. And I have put a link below where you can download this free pattern. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.